Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This cruiser has 26,400 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. I mean, they've really dressed this bike up a ton. So as you can see, it's got white walls on it. It's got the chrome fender trim, highway lights, light visors, a clear windscreen, a hypercharger, highway bars with pegs and covers, footboards for both the driver and the passenger, chromed long shot pipes, saddlebags, Mustang seats for both the driver and the passenger, as well as driver backrest, passenger backrest, and luggage rack combo. And again, our saddlebags, backrest, luggage rack, Mustang seats, footboards for the passenger, footboards for the driver, as well as a heel toe shifter, and then our highway bars with the pegs and covers. All right, show you those miles now. $26,394 is what's on it. This 2007 Vulcan 900 Classic will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.